Hey, good morning. This is Justin McKissick, Larry. I hope y'all doing excellent today. Recently, I just watched a video about a guy was talking about how he believed the stock market is a more um, it's easier to do trading the stock market just based on the fact that different equities have more opportunities to trade. And I do agree with him because, like right now, or a lot, we see people making money with foreign exchange, commodities, crypto, and all that. But then you get into points when there's a lot of consolidation, where you have to wait days or weeks or months, to really make money. You can make money trading it if you put like a lot of money on a trade on a smaller time frame to follow it if you trading correctly. But for as long term, just to consistently do it, some days you have to wait. You can't even trade. And that was true. So I did my own due diligence, to learn more about trading the stock market and to see was he saying was true. So I went to ChatGTP and I said the stock market has more trading opportunities than any other instruments. And it says, you're absolutely right. The stock market offers a vast array of trading opportunities compared to other financial instruments due to its size, diversity, and liquidity. Here's why it stands out. One, wide variety of assets. With thousands of publicly traded companies across sectors, traders can capitalize on opportunities in tech, healthcare, energy, finance, and more. Market liquidity. The stock market's high liquidity ensures traders can enter and exit positions easily, even with large volumes. Diverse strategies. Traders can employ a range of strategies, include day trading, swing trading, position trading, and long-term investing. Now, I'm gonna focus on that for a while. Um, yes, they are absolutely right. Depending on what's your trading strategy. I trade doing swing trading. Okay, swing trading allows you to keep trades open for a longer period of time, and basically take like one trade to two trades a day. So if there are more opportunities for me to trade, meaning there's more volume where price is going to either go up or down for a range of time, I definitely would say the stock market is the way to go. So let me go here, back here to my market, swing market account and show you what I'm talking about. Okay. And another thing about the stock market, it's less stressful. You don't have to worry about the mind frame, oh, I can make money all day. You know what I mean? Because sometimes people overtrade. This really allows you to trade and keep yourself in check. Okay, the market is open, it's closed, go on about your day. You know what I mean? Now look, every day, these are all stocks. These are all equities you have opportunity to trade. What I would suggest is just go by each pair and just see what's going on, what it look like could be going on for the day. You know what I mean? By simple top-down analysis. So I would just go by the day. So let's see what's going on with this. Okay. So by the day, look like price will be going up because what I see at the bottom right here, the blue D plus is going up. Okay. Plus I see the moving averages is going up by the day. That's what it says by the day. Plus the ADX is over 20 by the day. So let's break it down to a smaller time frame. Okay. So let's look at the 4 hour chart. Now look, this candle closed above this other candle, this last low candle right up in here. Plus it's showing the same thing for what I've just saw right here. This red line right here, the ADX is still pointing up. Even though the ADX positive D is pointing down, usually mean price might be going down. It still shows that it's going to be a strong buy, in my opinion. That's from what I understand about the ADX. So let's look at a smaller time frame. And this is just for the Apple, what we're looking at. Okay. See, that's why you do a top-down analysis. Now, right here, this trade gonna be either doing two things. You can only do two things. It's either gonna continuously go up or it's gonna reverse. Okay. For what I see, it look like the price is gonna continue to go up. It may come down for a brief moment and then go back up. Retrace and come back up. See, I'm breaking it down to smaller time frames still. See right here on the 30 minute, we see that it's still going up, like it's going to continue up. So, but look, this is the best thing about this with the way my trading strategy is. You can go all the way down to the 1 minute. No, let's go to the 5 minute. Okay, and get a feel what's going on because I use moving averages. I use quicker moving averages than I also use a slower moving average. So you can see right now that this moving average, which is I believe a 100 moving average, something like that, it looks like it may be curving. And when it starts to curve like that, it could be a sign of a reversal. Okay, stumbling on my words a little bit. So let's go to the 1 minute. See right here as well. We see the same thing where price went down briefly, but look, it look like it's coming back up to continue. So remember I said it like it may continue to go up. That's what we see because we see this pink line going up. Okay. So for what I was saying, that's what it shows. But look, if that's just not where you want to, so in my opinion, Apple is going to go up today. Okay. And today's date is the 17th. So we'll see later. I'll do another video about it. It look like Apple may go up today or it's going to continue to go down, but it's easier to follow in my opinion. But let's go to Google. Let's look at a different pair. And this is just based on opportunities because remember the market closed. So let's go to a higher time frame. Go to the day. Now, so for what I see on the daily, the moving averages also says going to go up because the blue is over the orange. This is the uptrend. Predominantly for the day is the orange candlestick. Now let's go look to the 4 hour chart to see what's going on. Now we see something here. Okay. We see on a 4 hour chart that is a red candlestick and it also engulfed the candlestick. So there's a high chance that this may be a sell at the beginning of the trading hours when the market opened for the Google because this is an engulfing candle. So that means the other candle may go down. It should go down if it's a true engulfing candle, which I see. But let's look at a smaller time frame. So we should see this going down as well by the hour. And that's what we see. Look, another opportunity. So when the market open, from what I see today, Google is going to go down. Okay. From what I see, the price is going to go down. It's already making that curve, speeding around the ramp. You know what I mean? And then it's going to continue to go down. Now, if I look on a smaller time frame, we will see it already went down just based on a smaller time frame. So let's go to the 30 minutes. See, and as we see, that's what it did. So it's safe to say this may be a down trade for the day. Okay. So I'm only looking at Apple and I'm looking at Google. But look, these are all different equities right here. Okay. Hold on. Yeah, these are all different equities. Okay, let's go to another popular Netflix. No, Meta. Let's go to Meta. That's Facebook. Very curious to see how that is looking. Top down analysis. Let's see what's going on from the top. Look at this. Like it's gonna be a nice sale going on. I see a lot of so on the daily time frame, I see there's a red candlestick, even though price was going up for a while. I see the curve and the ramp right up in here. The blue line seems to be coming around for a reversal. Also at the bottom, I see this right here. The negative D is going up over the positive D, meaning there's a reversal as well. Also, the ADX is lower the strength. So let's go to the 4 hour chart. And that's what we're seeing right here as well. Okay. You see how the blue line is underneath the orange line? That moving average is under the other moving average. The faster moving average is underneath the slower moving average, meaning that's the direction price may be going. Also, it's opening with um, a red candlestick that could that basically shows it might be going down for a sale as well. But let's just look at a smaller time frame. When we break it down to smaller time frames, y'all, it's showing the same thing. It's just at a smaller time increment, so it's showing you the same thing. Okay. So based on this pattern we see From right here, it's safe to say this price like it's gonna be going down for the day. But look, let's go to a smaller time frame. Let's just see what's going on. It says the same thing. And look, y'all, when the market is closed, it's easier to kind of really come up with like to predict what's going on for what we see because with my trading strategy, when you back test, all you got to do is look at what happened in the past to determine what's going to happen in the future. With all these different stock equities that you see, all the patterns are the same. When the blue moving average is going up over the orange moving average, the slower moving average, price always went up. And when the faster moving average, which is blue, is under the slower moving average, which is orange, price always went down. Okay, so it's safe to say it looks like this price will be going down for the day. Now look right here, we see prices has already went down for the time being, like what we're seeing right here for the hour with this red candlestick going down. That's what we see on the 1 minute right here. See, that's why moving averages are so important. It shows you the direction of price. So instead of you trying to measure doing like support and resistance, which works, you know what I mean? But why not use moving averages? And moving averages is really what a lot of the big trading gurus we know used. The people that's been continuously making millions for years trading the stock market, they use moving averages. Oliver Velez, Warren Buffett, uh, Tudor Tudor Jones. We could probably go on and on and on. They use moving averages. Okay, so in my opinion, it's safe to say, based on like just different, like let's go to another one. What's this? Um, Adidas. Let's go to Adidas. ADSG. But you see how it's just all these trading opportunities. Now I could go look at some cryptos and shit and show you some what I'm talking about as far as like you'll see how it's kind of just consolidating. That's where people lose money because they trying to. Some people don't know how to do a top down analysis. That's why I swing trade. I keep my trade open. Look, I swear to God, I lose more money when I trade on smaller time frames, and I think more people do. That's why they get into trades and get out and don't trade as much. You know what I mean? That's why they only trying to do like 20 pips a day. Because if you try to long term trade on smaller time frames, you're gonna lose your money. You know what I mean? That's why swing trading is more efficient. Um, in my opinion. My bad. Let me get back to the Adidas ADSG. It's my first time really ADS, so I gotta remember ADSG. Okay, equity. So let's go to the day. See what's going on. So for what I see for today, based on this pattern, look like price may be going up, continuously going up. But at the bottom, I see this ADX, the negative D, look like it may be going up over the positive D, meaning price could be reversing. So let's look on a smaller time frame. Do we see this in real time? Okay, not nope. We see that the D positive D is going up over the negative D, meaning that the price is going up. But from what we see on a smaller time, on a higher time frame, price is going up. But let's just break it down again. See, now there we go. They'll go that red candlestick, and that's what we see right here. This negative D and this is going up over the positive D, meaning it's going to be reversing. And it's safe to say, based on what I see, I think it's going to be reversing, going down for the day too when the market opens. So look, you see how it's going down. Watch when we go to the 1 minute, you're going to see the same thing. Look, see this 100 move. You see how this the purple moving average is now going down. It's showing you the same thing. That's why I trade. That's why I add these higher, these slower moving averages as well, because it shows you everything. So just like, matter of fact, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all something. This is why I might just start trading like this, trading with the stock market, because from now that I look at it, I do see more opportunities. I'm gonna take a line and show you something. Take this line. Hold on. All right. Move this line about right here. Okay. Now I'm gonna make another line. Put that line about right here. I'm putting it where they're reversing it. Okay. Now with just these two lines, I can go to the 1 minute chart with the with the slower moving average, and it's gonna see the same thing based on that. Now you see how it went down here, up in here, then it went up in here. Where the line's at, watch this. Oh, okay, there we go. Look, look at the first line when price went up. Price went up. And right here, I can't even go that far back with these things. As a matter of fact, let's do it with the 5 minute chart because it's just so they only go back so far. All right, so there you go. The up I was telling you about. Damn, it only go back so far. So let's try it with the 15 minute. Trying to make a point here. All right, there we go. So he'll go to first. I was talking about when it went up, price went up, and look right here when it went down. Second one when price went down. You see, the reason we see this like this because higher time frames, it shows you what's going on for the overall. That's why I say it's better to trade with a higher time frame, y'all, because a higher time frame is going to be more. It's going to really just tell you what to do more, make more money. So imagine. Let me get rid of all them lines. What the fuck? Okay, there you go. So imagine trading right here based on the time frame that's daily. You know what I mean? And just take all your trades based on like every time the market open. Matter of fact, I'm gonna try this and just trade it based on this about the daily, and then just open it up going for that direction of the price. I would think I'd be able to smash the market for real because the market is closed. It's not moving all day. Or go to like a smaller time frame, even the 15 minute. When the market open, just trade the direction of the 15 minute. For regardless of what it's saying, just keep the trade open. And what I like about the stock market, they don't have any crazy like large spikes and shit. Now look, let's go ahead and look at some other stuff like forex and stuff. Matter of fact, and when we were looking at these trades, you see how there's not a lot of large. You see how smooth it move. Look at that. That is very smooth. You gotta admit that's very smooth. Uh, let's look at another couple other stocks just to see how smooth it is. That's the point. Another thing, because that's one thing I hate about trading forex. Those spikes could be just ridiculous. It's just ridiculous. So let's go back to Google on the 15 minute. Look at how smooth it move. The smooth movements. Okay, let's go to Visa. And remember, y'all, these are equities. These are all stock markets pairs. Okay. Look how smooth this stuff move. You know, it's not as Visa's not as smooth. It look like Google is more smooth than the other stuff. Now this is how the damn the stop. This is how the forex pairs be looking. You see all these extra wicks and stuff. Okay, so it looked like I might fall in love with Google for real because that move or Adidas, it moves smooth. You see the difference? You see how smooth it is? Not as many wicks, but Adidas is super smooth. ADSG. Look, it was really not a lot of. It's really not a lot of wicks. It's just really smooth. I'm gonna be honest with you. I like smooth moving things. No Diddy. So, alright. So let's look at my list again. Um, Hold on. Public list. There we go. Alright, so look at some of these Forex pairs, y'all. Y'all gonna be like, this shit ridiculous. I'm telling you. So let's just go to Euro USD. A popular. When y'all see this, y'all going, what the fuck? And that's gonna make my point exactly. Alright, hold on. I know this is a long video. I didn't plan on making this video this long. Now look, on a daily, on an hourly, it's cool. You can trade like that. It's cool. Like on higher time frames, like I mentioned to you. Let's look on a 15 minute how this shit look. Look at this, man. Look at all these spikes. It just, I'm telling you, it's nerve wracking trading this shit. I'm telling you, you be like, what the hell? Yeah. You just see all these different movements it's doing. Look at all that. That's just one pair. Let's go to another pair. Euro, Seek, whatever that shit is at the bottom. And then I can show you some cryptos and it do the same damn. Some cryptos got more volatility, but it do the same thing. Just a lot of, especially when it's consolidating. See, well, we looking at the stuff that's consolidating. Look at this. You see how it's like not really like. I mean, unless you trading with the large moving averages, like I teach people with the pink lines and stuff like that, you'll be able to get like a better feel of trading like that. But you just see if you was to trade by 15, you see how them spikes is how inconvenient that is. That shit looks stupid as hell. Let's look at the Japan USD JPY. Kenichiwa. Alright, look at this shit. You see all that extra shit? All this extra movement? That's bullshit, man. Nobody want to trade it. That's why you got to trade it from a higher time frame with this. You got to trade Forex with, so what I'm saying? So from what I see, and I don't even get me looking into crypto right now because it's consolidating, so it's just ridiculously ugly. So it's safe to say equities may really be where it's at on a daily basis. Let's get back. Let's look at Amazon now. Look how smooth that is on the daily. You see how smooth that shit is? Let's go to the 15. It's just smoother. You see, it's just a smoother situation. Stock markets move smoother. It's a fact, and we see it. So maybe those people trading, we just trading with the wrong instruments. Maybe we just need to trade the stock market. Just like the OGs that was making a lot of that money with doing. Look at how smooth this is. We see it right in front of us. These are smooth movements. These are undeniable movements. Look at HP. I'm happy that I found that video that guy was explaining that. This is a little bit of that give me Forex feel, but it's still smoother. But you don't have to trade that. You could trade things that you know move smooth, you know, or where we don't know move smooth. We could just go look at each pair, you know. Let's look at Master. I mean, let's look at McDonald's. I wonder what Microsoft doing, but let's go to McDonald's because you know McDonald's always stay cracking, but they get their money. I bet you if we go to their monthly, I bet they should just gonna continuously go up. Look at that. McDonald's is super smooth. Super smooth. It don't even get that one smoother than that. Let's look at a monthly. Told you. Then I said I bet you McDonald's is going up. Damn man, fast food killing it. The only other thing I saying like this just continuously go up is the NAS 100. The NAS 100 is a permanent bull run, and it's safe to say McDonald's is too. Facebook probably looked like this as well because from when it started, whenever it came out, it just went up from there. Meta, that's Meta. So let's go back to Meta. This is about a month, and like I said, now look, ain't that crazy? It had times where it went up, then down, then up. Like I told, just crazy. McDonald's just went up and up and up. Let's look at another stock and see what's going on. That you could think, you would think Coca-Cola always went up. So let's see. KO, KO. It went up too, but it's still at times it's kind of consolidated a lot. Now that is ridiculous. This probably during the health, everybody started getting health conscious around up in this area. Cause look at that, that shit was crazy. Now people got like, well, fuck it, we don't give a fuck about our health anymore. Let's just go back. But look, the price is going down right now about a month. But the only thing that's been consistent, like, I ain't seen no stock market move like that. But now I guarantee you, Apple went up, just up, up, up. Because Apple is like repeated customers. Look at that, told you. Look, and this is my first time looking at these things. Sometimes, and you see, it's crazy. I'm predicting what's probably going on off the overall because based on the popularity of these companies. You see what I'm saying? That's crazy. I'm able to just come up with stuff based on Exxon. I don't know. There was a company on here. Look, I didn't even know they got Hennessy on here. Moet Hennessy. You know, people just been drinking and drinking. COVID, I bet you they shit was really up during COVID. This stuff, I would think the stock market easy to predict just based on what's going on, the time and events. That's crazy. And this is my first time looking at some of this stuff, y'all. And I'm coming up with these analogies just based on, and I'm right. Look at that back and forth situation, but it was smooth. It was smooth. I wish I could look at. I could. I can't look at it by the what happened back a few years ago during COVID. But let's look on the 15 minute. Damn, this shit's super smooth. Damn, Hennessy, that's smooth. Look at this. By the 15 minute chart, y'all, it look like it's gonna be going down for the day. This is by the day. Now it seems like it's more choppy looking at the daily time frame. I guess because the way the stock market is, it opened up. You know what I mean? Sporadically, but it seems like you might trading on the 15 minute chart. Stock market maybe where it's at. And look at the 5 minute. It's smooth too. It's pretty smooth. I'm actually impressed, y'all, with these stock market movements. So this is just a video just made based on what I seen somebody talking about earlier. Let's go to the guy, the Mr. Abdullah Rasheed. Appreciate you for talking about this, and you were right. It seems as if trading stocks have more opportunities daily because all you got to do is just go through the stocks and find out what's going on, and then just stick to those like they got some movement. I think I'm going to the stock market.